So before we go to the list, guys, are you ready? Okay. Now we'll see. We already seen data types, integer, float kind of stuff, and also variable kind of stuff. But you look at like this: A equal to B equal to C equal to 1. For example, if I give like this, what is the value of A? A value is 1, B value is 1, and C value is 1. Like a one value we can assign to a multiple variables also possible. Okay. So another one is like for one, um, okay, that is possible. Normally, we assign a value to a variable name, right? So to a particular name. Here we should not use certain names anyway, but certain names we can able to use like A, B, C, D, S1, S2, like that I use. So that we can able to use, but don't use like a date, add kind of stuff. Don't use it. Pow, power, like that. One more is there. A comma B comma C equal to 10 comma 30 comma 44. So A value is 10, B value is 30, C value is 44. Okay, understand, assigning values in a different manner. Okay, so these are all like a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 1 means I assign one value to multiple variables. Here it is I assigned like a sequence man, like a is equal to 10, b is equal to 30, c is equal to 44, like that also assigned some values. Okay, so no clear command is there, so again we'll go for that. But if you want to store multiple variables, multiple values into a single way one, what I said, you want to store, multiple values or variables or parameters. You can say parameters. Okay, or anything. Okay, so want to store multiple values into a single variable. So we can able to store like a list tuple range kind of stuff, list tuple set, we can use it. Okay, here if you go to this list, lists are used to store multiple items in the single variable, and same kind of stuff also tuple set and dictionary also there. Okay, so what is a list? Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. And what is the list properties? It is ordered and it is changeable. It is ordered, changeable. It allow duplicates. It allow duplicates. So main three important properties of list. Okay. So what are the three properties? It is ordered. It is changeable. So we can change the value in that one. And it allow duplicates. Allow duplicate values. So we'll verify what is this ordering. Ordering means indexed. It is ordering means indexed, and we can view you using index. We can able to change. Changeable. We can change the certain value in order. Okay, and also it is duplicate values are there. Remember 3 points. These 3 points we are going to do to create a list. For example, any name. For example, list one. You don't understand if you put a list one or a tuple one, or maybe if you put a xyz, You don't understand. If you put a also, you don't understand anything. Okay, a is also we can able to use. For example, a, you have to use a square brackets to represent values. Okay, so first one is like a value 1 comma value 2 comma value 3, like this you have to mention. Okay, so what I'm going to is I'm going to create a list. Any name you can put it, and you must mention in a square brackets. So then automatically whatever you put it in that one, so the data type it is automatically list type only. For example, I put a 23, 44. I put a name Latif. I put a some name like a Pune. But when you are using a text, but you have to use compulsory represent with a quotation, singular double quotes. Okay, so I created a variable, so list one. So type list one, it will display your list. You want to see what is there inside, you want to see mm, what it is. Type list one. So it is a list class, like integer, float you are getting now. So same thing. What is it is type. Next one is length, list one. So how many variables are there? How many variables are there? And as I said, it is indexed. It is indexed, right? So I said indexed. So list one 0 is value is 23. What is the 23? The first one. Okay. So I'm taking anyway from here to there. So I will explain this list part. Okay. So this is commands to take the commands out. This output also contains things. This is the command. This is the command. This is the command. So this is indexed. So I'm rewriting this one again. It means this is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and this is a -4, -3, -2, -1. So it is indexed. If you take a very big one, means at least 8 or 9, 10 values, that it is very easy to view. Okay, so it is ordered, means it is indexed. List one, this second. Okay, 0, 1, 2. This is 2. Okay, list 1, 1 colon, like this. From 1, 0 gone, 1, 1 is 44, and 1, 2, 3 it is displaying. 1, 2, 3 it is displaying. Okay, can be changeable. So I said it is list allows duplicate. That is, I will show you another list. It can be changeable. If I put a no, dot is letter. I want to change 44 to 34. I want to change 44 to 34. What is index value of 44? 1, right? Index value of 1 is 44. List 1 um, equal to 34. Now check the list. Now 44 become 34. If you want to individually want to check it, particularly what you change, It is become 34. It is changeable, so we can change the thing. And also we can able to add into the list. We can add a certain values into the existing list. Means list is not locked. You can add a certain values. We can change the values, and also we can add the values also. Okay. So how to add the values? Put a dot. So wait. So this is append. First one is append. Next is important one is for adding, right? Extend. Append is there, extended is there. Extend is also like that. Okay, so mm, like a 23, 44, 56, 74. I said extend. So what will happen with the extend? Okay, I got 23, 44, 56, 74. I got it now. Okay, so can you see there is a 223s also there? So it is allow duplicate value. It not making unique. Still you want to check it, those kind of stuff. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will change 6, 56. Okay, so like that. So it is also individually index. So we want to add some more data, use the extend. Append means it will add it to it, but as a separate one. So the little bit different. Append is different and extend is different. Both are for adding a data to existing list only, but it is a little different. So I will go to list one dot append. So I am adding some more data. See, 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5. For example. Okay, added a data. So we'll see. I use a append. Then what happened? Can you see the 23, 24, 56, 74, and the last the data is appear, but it is in the separate brackets, separate square brackets. If you see list one, mm, -1, entire set is coming. List -2. So yeah, list one -2, 74. It means the entire set. This entire set, it considered as a single unit type. Like a one single index value is assigned. It is like a single unit type. Okay. Here it is. Everything is a one single value. But here it is overall. It's considered as a single value. Okay. Next, list one dot pop. Okay, I am showing pop. Meaning is, yeah, we can add a two different list also. List one dot pop means it will remove the last one, last index value, last indexed thing. Okay, so if you look at like this list one, so last part is removed finally. You want to remove particular thing, or maybe you want to query something. List one dot index 56. Yeah, it is not there. List one dot index 56. So what it is showing, index value is 6. If I give a particular data type, automatically I'm getting index value of that one. So for example, list one dot index, okay, Pune 3, 0 1 2 3 is a Pune. See, we can get a index value. List one dot append completed, right? So index extend insert, we don't go with the insert part now. Sort, okay, so we can do sorting. If you have a data set like you, if you can able to do it, sorting, you can do it. You can put a reverse. First I will put a reverse list one, reverse order. Enter order is change. See, if you look at this data, this completely reverse, reverse. This one dot sort. Why? Yeah, because of integers and strings are there, so you don't understand the data like for sorting purpose. That's it, is sorting not working. If both are there, not supported between instance of str and itr. Guys, when you are getting a red color, see, it is a value error, type error, syntax error. Different errors are there. Observe. Otherwise, note down one side errors in the Python. Error types in the Python. Value error, syntax error, type error, like that. Mm, which one you want it? You want to remove something? So you have to tell a particular value in that one. So I am putting 74. Why 74? 56. List one. I removed a 56 value from it. If it is a duplicate, so based on the index number, either it will remove row both or it will remove one only. But I want one thing, count 23. So 23 is repeated two times. All remaining are one time only. So if you find any value, how many times it is repeated in the list. If you have a very big list, how many times the particular value is repeated, that is a count. That is a count. Count. Reverse sort, we need a name, right? So that is count. So you can play with it, this one. So other things also you can try. And I got another question, right? Can we add a to list? So internal lines you won't add. List one displays, list two also will display. So I will put a, okay, so I created a list. So if you put a list one plus list two, just like your strings, it will, it shows both the data. It shows both the data. Now 23 is repeated two times, 44 repeated two times. So you can try like this. Okay. So this is both the data. List one star two. Okay. It displays same thing two times. I put a x before for a string purpose. Like if I put a st1 is equal to Latif. Okay, st1 star 3. Latif. Okay, star. I forget that one actually. Okay, well, so many days are na, so like that. List one plus list two, list one into two. This kind of stuff we can able to do it. I think I already given a length command also, so you can try. when we started a list part, this one, right? Mm, no, no, no. Length list 0. Okay. After list 0, I have to copy, right? Guys, understand list?
Yes, sir.
Very. How many people are getting sleep, headache, too much headache, or more normal headache? Practice. Take a half an hour for practice. Repeat, and you can do it. These commands I'm giving, that is only for a guideline, and also I'm leaving errors. So then you'll understand. So what is the mistake I done, and why I'm getting this error here. Any programming language you are learning, so understand the syntax, not only a correct syntax, also understand what is wrong in this syntax also. What is the situation in that syntax? What is the error it is showing? Okay, so that is a important. So this is the list. The next one is tuple. Okay, again relax 2-3 minutes. Meanwhile, I will stop this.